What does cheese mean in American slang? Ever heard someone say he's got the cheese, or that smile was so cheese, and thought, wait, what does that even mean? In American slang, cheese has not one, but two surprising meanings, and you'll hear both all the time. Let's start with the first one. Cheese means money. Yeah, like real cash, especially a lot of it. It comes from older slang where people said cheddar for money, and over time, it got shortened to just cheese. You'll hear this in casual conversations when someone is talking about making bank or being rich. Example 1. He just sold his startup and made some serious cheese. That means he made a lot of money. Example 2. She's not dating him for love, she's after the cheese. She's after his money. Now, let's talk about the second meaning. Cheese can also mean fake, awkward, or corny. Think about a fake smile, where someone says cheese but doesn't really mean it. That's where this meaning comes from. You'll hear people say something is cheesy or cheese when it feels forced, over the top, or just not real. Example 3. That commercial was so cheese. It means the ad was fake, cringy, or overly dramatic. Example 4. Did you see his smile in the photo? Total cheese. It wasn't a real smile. It looked awkward or fake. So depending on the situation, cheese can mean money or something fake and awkward. It all depends on how and when it's used. That's why it's so fun and so important to understand these little slang tricks. If you're loving how simple this makes American slang, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next word. These show up in movies, music, and real-life convos, everywhere. Now you know both meanings of cheese in American slang, and trust me, you'll start hearing it all the time. Like the video if it helped, share it with your friends who are learning English, and comment below which meaning surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe, so you never get left behind when the next slang drops.